For today's Pet Puja, we are going to make microwave dhoklas, which will not take more than 3 minutes to cook in the microwave, and it will be enough for 2 people. So here are the ingredients. We have half a cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half a cup of oil, half a cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt or baking soda. And for the garnishing, we have coriander, few sprigs of coriander, a few red chilies, 1 teaspoon of mustard and half a teaspoon of jeera, and we have grated coconut here, as well as half a cup of water mixed with 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now to go ahead, we start mixing the besan and 1 teaspoon of oil, grated ginger, salt, and mix with water and Eno. You see there are nice bubbles which are forming. We are going to add this mixture to our besan and mix it thoroughly. Take care that no lumps remain. Now I have lined the microwave dish with a little bit of oil, and I poured my mixture, which was ready for preparation, into this dish. Now I am going to microwave it on high for 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, the dhokla is almost ready. I cut it into desired shapes of squares or diamonds as you wish. And now I am going to prepare the tempering. For this I take 1 tablespoon of oil, and I am going to heat it on the stove. As soon as the oil is hot enough, we add the mustard seeds and the jeera. And they are going to splutter nicely. And we add some red chilies or green chilies as well. And then we add it to our dhoklas. Now garnish it with the coconut and a few sprigs of coriander, and those who like their dhoklas a little bit wet, they can add the sugar syrup, which is made up of half a cup of water with 2 teaspoons of sugar, and we can add this as well, just a little bit, so that the dhoklas are soaked enough, and wait for 2 minutes for this sugar syrup to be absorbed. And now we are ready to eat these dhoklas with our lovely green chutney.